on behalf of VIET Secondary School in Vietnam. I'm Ha Anh.
And I'm Tu, and today we want to tell you about a really serious problem that is spreading, rapidly worsening right here where we are living and possibly spreading globally throughout the world.
This problem, or what we call heavy metals affecting the water environment, is raging quickly without any regard of the local people. Heavy metals are difficult to remove by conventional wastewater treatment methods, and if they enter domestic water sources at a level higher than the allowable limit, will be the source of the serious disease.
Luckily, we discovered the danger of heavy metals in water and how fast it spread through a trip to the countryside, where people use water from wells, rivers, and lakes that have been contaminated.
Dangerous, right? But don't be worried. We learned that banana trunk can remove metals such as iron or copper, etc. very strong. And surprise, not only that, it can be used up to 11 times.
Then we started to think that, what about banana peels? Does it attract metals? If it does, it will be very good because banana peels are easier to get than banana trunk. Well, why don't we find it out? Let's move to the second part of our video.
To start the project, of course there must be tools, but we have nothing, so we went to the market to find tools.
Here are some empty bottles.
It's really dirty, so we have to wash it.
During the time Ha Anh is washing the other stuff, I'll cut the biggest bottle to be able to scoop water, while using a ribbon to create the handle.
We take well water everywhere. We believe that finding as much as possible will probably get a much more accurate result.
As mentioned, drilled wells are especially contaminated with metals, and to get the more accurate samples, we have to use water from drilled wells.
We will use DIY to scoop water in the lake.
Next step is collecting bananas and sugarcane.
Near our school, there's a place to sell sugarcane juice, and every day they threw away the bagasse. I decided to ask for sugarcane scum for experiments. They agreed.
As for bananas, we went into the supermarket to pick them.
There we go. Oops! A little stuck here, huh?
I peel off the skin and leave the meat. In order to fit into the tray, I should separate it into small pieces. Now we will dry bananas and bagasse.
We put in the tray and then wait for 9 hours with a temperature at 90 degrees. We are already in the lab.
Look at this. Banana peels have become very crunchy. Now is the process of grinding banana peels.
So loud!
Look how smooth it becomes. Next is the most difficult stage. We divided the bagasse and bananas pulp into 6 different samples, and the total of each group of samples was 10, 15, and 20.
Including 5-5, 10-10, 10-5, 9-6, 7-3, and 15-5.
At the same time, we also cut the bagasse into small pieces and put it on the scale table with the same ratio.
We also have hand-made small bags like this to fill in the ratios. And here are the ratios.
Then we will soak the bag into the well water. Currently, each sample of 600 milliliters of water.
We had to wait 2 hours to get this bag out.
And then we took the samples to test 5 elements of metals to see what proportion can absorb the most metal.
In the progress of the project, thank Mrs. VIET for helping us.
After sending the samples, we have selected the ratios that is most absorbable, which is 7:3 and 5:5. In conclusion, our mixture absolutely absorbed the metals.
We will work harder to develop our project and testing samples on not only in the lab but also on lakes and rivers such as West Lake, etc.
that is our entire project process. Thank you for listening.